guys, so I'm vlogging right now and I'm still at work and mayroon akong video and I just want to make a video out of it since I have a new phone. So samahan niyo ko sa adventure kong gagawin. I actually have someone to bring with and we're gonna go. This is my first out of town. This is my gift to myself for surviving and early birthday gift, and samahan niyo ko sa adventure na to. I don't know how many parts this video will be, but yeah, samahan niyo. And bye! See you later!
Ang awkward ko na pala mag-vlog, hindi na ako marunong.
I'm actually right here now, guys. I'm just gonna go to the condo of my friend and yeah, we're gonna go na. Here, guys. Right now, I'm here and I'm gonna fetch my friend. And nasa condo lang siya. Grabe ang hangin agad dito. And yeah, samahan nyo kami magbiyahe. So, we're like 2 lang. Tayong matutuloy. Pero yeah, samahan nyo kami magbiyahe. So, here's simple outfit lang. This is my maleta. And simple outfit lang ako, guys. Pero ang init pala. Uy, ang hangin. And yeah, this is where I'm gonna meet my friend. Sa baba ng condo niya. So, ang tagal niya. Pero yeah, I'm waiting for him. Magkaon lang. Kaya pa naman ako. Adobo man eh. We're here now and we're at the bus. I'm here with my friends. So we're gonna go to EU. So sa Romblon. So yeah. Nasa bus kami pa Batangas. Tama po ba, kuya? Tama po. Pakuha nga po nung inutusan pala. So ayun, magbibiyahe na kami. We'll see you in ano oras? 10 hours? 9 hours?
10 hours.
10 hours now. So first time ko pala ito lahat, everything, out of town, sasakay ng boat, ferry, tapos mag-motor, so punta sa isla. So, yun lang, panarin nyo lang.
Bye-bye. Ingat sa amin. What you never say, don't call me kid.
malapit na kami bumaba, guys. As you can see, there's one here. So, malapit na kami bumaba. Nakabalita po ang park. So, dito ako. Ginagawa kay Marietta. Hello guys, so now we are here at the port. Anong port? To Batangas Port. And medyo mahaba yung biyahe. So yeah. Just pull up. Yeah. Putang inang bag to. Darating sa akin eh. Hindi naman pala. Motor? Oh, modern Batangas Port. Ay, dating pinili tayo. Pero okay lang. Kalapan. We're gonna go to Kalapan, guys. So guys, we are now at the port. And then, yeah, so I'm here now. Or here after. So, magpo-post na ako mamaya. And then, hintay lang namin labas yung name. 11:30 yung ano namin. Lipad. Yung langoy. Daong. Guys, so that's our... That's our name. We're gonna go... So guys, we're now here at the ferry. Ano siya? Kind of scared. This is also my first time riding the ferry. Pero dito ako sa may best. Para if never may Titanic. Overthinker. We're here at Calapan Port. Port of Calapan, Mindoro. Good job, Sam. So guys, we're now out of the port. Touchdown. Grabe, ang layo pala ng biyahe mo ay. I could, no. I'm not gonna go back here anymore. Grabe. Sabi, welcome aboard. It's so tiring there. Dapat may mga games sila. Or dapat nag-calls na lang ako. Saan tayo sasakay? So guys, we are now here at the van. And buti sakto kami, dalawa na lang yung kulang. Kailangan tayo. So ayun, nandito kami sa 7-Eleven. Anong isla na to? Mindoro pa rin, pero
Pinamawayan.
Pinamangayan yung city. And 10 AM pa daw yung bukas ng barko ng isa pang bangka para makarating sa isla. So we're gonna have some breakfast later and then we'll wait. Pero hindi na mabutan yung sunrise. Ito kami ngayon sa 7-Eleven. Ayan. Guys, 7-Eleven tour sa Mindoro. Mindoro na ba to? Okay. Wala silang crunch, guys. Pumunta lang kami ng Mindoro para sa 7-Eleven.
Dapat ka naglalakad.
So guys, lumabas kami para kumain ng food. Magbe-breakfast na kami. And sakay lang kami ng tricycle. Ang hirap mag-vlog. Ayun lang. Ay, totoo? We're gonna eat here at Tim's Restaurant, guys. So, tara na. Pasok na tayo. Let's go. No. Hi, Toki. Oh, mo ko tahulan. Wala kang ang buntot eh. Yes. Outfit check. Dulo na ng buko. Mag-ayos ako mamaya. May CR naman ata dito. Bawal magdala ng ulam. Kahit saan? May ulam na ba sila? Parang wala pa silang ulam. And this is their food. Pancit, ang sarap po. Nagpre-prepare pa lang sila. Kain tayo ay good morning. I have chicken sotang. Yung Coke Zero, coffee ba yan? Sugar. Coffee na. Cheers guys. So, dito pala sa Taiwan. Bago lang sila magtang-anig dito.
Kakapot? Ha? Gagawin mo nga?
Ano namin?
Ano? Hindi ko narinig.
Gusto ko i-transition. parang unti-unti naman nawawala yung pagod ko. Ang ganda. So guys, we're now here and ang ganda. Nakita niyo naman.
UI. We're gonna go to Romblon. Nasa Mindoro kami right now.
Saan kami pupunta sa natatakpan ng clouds? Dito guys. And currently sa Mindoro kami. So may ibang Marinduque. And look at that. The initial of my last name. Thank you Lord. This is actually guys the Oriental Mindoro pala to is malaria free province. Ay, akala ko yung ano. So guys, we're now here at the port and we're waiting for the boat to specifically go to the island of Romblon. Actually, boundary siya ng Mindoro at Romblon. So, we're just waiting for it to be arrived. Bilis na alas ng 10 a.m. And yeah, samahan nila akong get ready with me. Kasi mag-sunscreen na tayo. So, mamaya, araw na. So, ikaw na mag-sunscreen. Wait lang. Yes, I'm gonna reapply sunscreen to my face kasi maaraw na. Kita nyo naman. And I'll be using this Quick FX. Later, mag-haul ako nito. Mag-haul? Hindi. Mag-video ako about the skincare using Quick FX. This is my sunscreen. It was introduced by me. By my friend Audrey. And I've been using it on a daily basis. Medyo mayroon siyang white cast pero hindi halata kasi nawawala siya. So look at that. Yeah. Dapat clean yung mukha pero kasi pagdating doon maghihilamas ako. Wala naman siyang white cast sa camera. Actually, mainit na pero hindi ko malas yung jacket ko kasi wala na akong paglalagyan. This is my birthday gift for myself to go to an island and to go out of town. Ang daming first time I rode a boat, a ferry, and then literally long ride. Naririnig yung parang ugong, yung alon yun. So, aside sa mga kinakatakutan ko yung alon, I'm afraid of waters. So, nung nasa boat nga po, hindi ko tinitignan. So, ayun lang. So, we're just gonna wait for the boat to arrive. And then, yun lang. See you guys there. Just a little update. Ang init na. Still have some time. 6:43. So, gabang na ako sa barko and then let's go na. Palit ako ng ano kasi sakit ng mata mo pero wala siyang grado. Masira na yung glasses ko pero I'll save on ka na buy one. So guys, boarding na namin and paalis na kami. And ang tagal ni Jester. Bumili pa siya ng Jollibee and cakes para madala namin. Uy, ang ganda ng alon lang. Oh, this scene is my... Guys, challenging pala yung biyahe. Umuwi na lang tayo. Gusto ko na lang umuwi ng ano, Manila.
exactly here. I'm at the boat na. And it's currently maalon. And try ko pa mag-vlog pero lobat na ako. So, I'll try. And yeah, nakakatakot. Lalo na nung pumasok kasi first time ko. And hindi ko alam. Pero decision to hanggang ngayon. Pero tumabi ako sa my life vest. Kasi I wanna leave. We're gonna get out na. We wear our jackets. So, I think we're leaving and then final destination. Ang pangit na term, pero we're gonna go to the Guys, we finally found ice here. Just literally here. Na-video ko lang namin sa kanina. And yeah, we're gonna go and prepare to go home. Hello, Ai.
Let's eat.
So yes guys, we arrived here na, and actually the food is good. And yeah, I celebrated it, and dito ako magstay for 3 days. And here's the food that I prepared for us. The rice, the seashells, and so of course Coke. Baka naman Coke, and then their house. Sayang hindi ko na video yung pagsakay ko. Ang bilis kausap. Diretso lang tayo. Kanan.
Ito pa rin yun.
Tabi-tabi po. Si Ay na lang bibidyoan ko.
Wende ka mo.
Hoy. God, as you can see, I just woke up, but we're still able to not get the sunset. Oh, low tide na.
Yung ano, sobrang low tide. Tayo na.
Wow. Ang ganda ng sand ha. Mas malambot pa yung sand dito kaysa dun sa pinuntahan natin.
Sa Batangas.
Oo.
Nandun.
Sasakay tayo dyan? Shit. Akala ko tayo natapakan ko basa. Akala ko tayo natapakan ko basa kasi. Uy, ang ganda. Yung aesthetic naman dito. So guys, I just woke up and we're now here and we're just waiting for the bangka. That's the bangka. So we're gonna ride. Low tide. this island called? Tumbo. Tumbo. This is the Tumbo Island, guys.
Tonga Beach.
Tumbo Beach, man. Guys, it's so nice here. It's so nice here, guys. pala siya. Tagal ko hinintay. Dahil pala dito ako naglagay. Kung nakita. So guys, good morning. Look at the sunshine. And we're gonna do shoots lang. Hi guys. So we're currently losing our battery. So picture kami ng mabilis. Kasi 4% na lang siya. So change the outfit na. Di ba ito nakakalunod ay?
Dapat. May video.
Dapat nakakuha mo.
Oo. Tayo ka. Video.
Hiniwalay kasi natin eh.